A 100-mile drive to verify the ramps were too icy, and if so, winterize the engine. Sailor and Juno loved hiking through the woods down to the ramp. Definitely too icy for the transport trailer, so I postponed the boat's haul out until next week. Well, that's a bummer. Come on, let's go back to the truck. Come on, let's go. So we went down to Matilda to warm up the engine and winterize the water intake system. It's forecasted to be 7 degrees. Engine is all winterized. You guys about ready to go back home? Go! Let's go! So we'll try the haul out and transport next week.